Hi guys, this is Pritam. Today I'll be showing you how to tie the reef knot. First, take the left end of your rope, bring it over the right end, under, then the end that is on your right, bring it over the one that is on your left, under, and then you simply just tighten. There you go, you have a reef knot. Let me just show you that one more time. Left over right, right over left.
This is Jaden and I'll be showing you guys how to tie a clovefinch. If you guys can recall, this was one of the first few knots that we taught you guys, as it is one of the most fundamental knots in scouting. For example, this knot can be used to start and end off lashings, such as the square lash or the diagonal lash. In my demonstration, the pen will represent a spar, while the wire represents a rope.
Hi guys, I'm Ignatius and today I'll be showing you how to tie the sheep band. So you just need to take two ends of the rope like this, and with the loop in your left hand, make a band like this. And now you take the rope in your right hand and put it in through the back of the loop that you just made. You bend it around the loop like this. Now you can see that you've just made a hole over here by bending the rope around the loop. So taking your working end of the rope, which is this end that you've been moving, you put it in through the hole. And now you just tighten it by pulling all four corners of the rope. And there you have it. That is your sheep band.
Hey guys, this is David. I'll be showing you how to tie bowline today. So first, take your working end, make a loop inside it, then take this end, go from behind like this, and over this end here. Now put it back through the loop below here and tighten. This is what a bowline should look like. So it's also easy to undo, so just untie it and redo it again. So once again, it's making a loop here, taking the loop and then putting it from behind, going through the other end, and then back through the loop right here. Tighten and you're done.
Hi guys, I'm Ignatius and today I'll be showing you how to tie a sheep shank. A sheep shank is used to shorten a certain amount of length of rope. So I'm going to shorten this amount of rope. And with this rope, I'm going to make 3 loops, like this. Now you will realize that there are actually 2 methods of making loops. One is a right over left method, like this, and the other one is left over right. It doesn't matter which way you use as long as you are consistent throughout your whole knot. However, it is important to remember which direction you make your loop in. For example, since I'm going to tie my knot using right over left, if I turn my loop to the right, you realize that the loop will just come apart. But if I turn it to the left, there will form sort of a twist over here, which is what keeps the whole loop in place. Therefore, when I make my 3 loops, which are all right over left, I'm going to make sure that my left loop and my right loop are turning to the left so they don't come apart. And this is the tricky part, so pay attention. I'm going to pull my middle loop through both my left and right loop, which are currently facing the left, like this. Now, make sure you're holding the bottom 2 ends of the rope or pulling the rope through the loop. Now, just continue pulling it through, and then there you have it. That is your sheep shank.
Hi guys, this is Jovan. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do a round and 2 half hitch. So first, you want to get one loop like that, followed by a second one. So end up with something like this. Once you have something like this, you need to cross over like that and put this end under just like this. Once you have something like this, you just basically do the same thing one more time. And there you go. This is your round turn 2 half hitch. Thanks.
Welcome to a HBL tutorial. I'm Travis, and on behalf of the Year 4 TTs, I'm going to show you what you can do to do pioneering, even in the comforts of your home. So what you're going to need are going to be 3 pencils and some twine. If you don't have twine, you can grab the shoelaces or even some random cordage you find lying around at home. So cut out a piece of twine that it's like not longer than your forearm and can start getting to work. So if you want to build a simple structure, you can just use pencils. Just imagine that as spars, right? So you can start by doing our very standard square lash. So just imagine this is a supporting spar and this is your middle hem. So let's tie the clove hitch. As you can see, this is already going very well and it's definitely like the real thing. So as I start doing my wrappings, you can see that I am maintaining the tension by placing my thumb over the previous wrappings, and I'm going around making sure that the knot is very tight and compact. Okay, so after we have done our standard 4 wrappings, we then proceed with 3 wrappings. Ooh, the tension kind of died there. That's okay. So I'm using my entire body weight to pull on the knot, making sure it's very tight, very compact. And ending it off with the half hitch just to keep that tension there. And we're going to tie the clove hitch. So, I mean, you can do this to practice your clove hitch timing. It's really a lot about handling. And of course, housekeeping for good measure. Let's go. Okay. And voila, we are done with our very own square lash knot. It's splinter free, it's mistake free, and last but not least, you don't even have to get any logistics. You just need pencils, you just need rope. If you want to tie a tripod lash, we got you covered. We have 3 pencils instead of 2, and you can do the exact same thing with a diagonal lash, a tripod lash, a quadrupod lash, or even a stick lash by getting a whole box of color pencils. But what do you know? You can even recreate the pioneering experience here, even within the comforts of your 4 walls. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and this is Travis signing off. Goodbye.